Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to turn off history on the general settings on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and go to the settings, and here you will find this general settings. Click on it, and as you see here you will find the history. Just click like this and it will be turned off. So that's how to turn off the history easy and quickly. So that's it. The future will show 1000 notes which you have viewed recently. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.